Hey guys, it's Star the Flippin' Hippo. Thank you for joining us on our YouTube channel at Flippin' Hippos. Today is Monday, December 3rd, which means it's time for What Sold on eBay. You guys, last week I was kind of under the weather all week. I was going back through my Instagram. I took pictures every day of our packages, but apparently they never made it to Instagram. So like I said, I was under the weather. I wasn't feeling very well. So I kind of went back through our solds and Posh and eBay, and I kind of guesstimated our sales, and I'll be able to tell you what we sent out. But I think we hovered right around a 0.5% sell-through rate all week last week. We did pretty good. On average, we were right where we should be, which again isn't like, where you would expect to be in Q4, where you expect more sales and you expect things to be stellar. But I'll take the 0.5% sell-through rate because it's better than not having any sales at all. So last Monday we had 28 packages go out, 22 eBay sales, and 6 on Posh. And we had 13 total last week on Posh. So throughout the week we had 7 more sales from Posh scattered through the week. Tuesday we had 6 packages, Wednesday 4, Thursday 6, Friday 5, and those are all eBay. Like I said, the Poshmark ones were scattered in between. I was a big time failure at Instagram last week. And then we had an okay weekend this weekend. You can see here we had 25 items total sold and 23 packages. So we had 2 folks on eBay who bought 2 shirts a piece, and then we had 3 sales on it Poshmark and 1 on Amazon. So it was a good weekend. It was right about where we should be, but again, it's not what we would have expected for Q4. I am hearing that across the board from people that sales aren't bad, sales are okay, but they're meh for Q4. So I don't know what's going on. You guys can let me know down in the comments below how your sales are doing. And if you guys think that this is a typical Q4, is this better Q4 than last year? Is it worse? Just let me know what you think and how you guys are doing. I love to hear how other people are doing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and show you the highlights of our sales last week. Just a couple of items just to show you what we get excited about selling and maybe some bolos for you guys. I always start with my plush. This is a Hard Rock Cafe polar bear. He came out of a lot over the summer in a yard sale, from a yard sale I should say. The one where I brought home all the Disney and the Hard Rock bears, and they averaged out to 77 cents a piece for everybody, for each one. And I sold him for $12, and he went first class. This Tigger came from the Goodwill. I believe he was like 99 cents or 50 cents. I can't remember. I did accept the best offer of $12 on him. He's a little talking puppet, but he wasn't that large. You can see he's like 11 inches. He went in a box and he was still first class. Here's one of my favorite brands to sell. I'm always telling you guys about the classic toy companies. This dragon was listed, and the very same night I took a best offer of $18. They did pay shipping, so I was more than happy to take a best offer of $18. He had some damage on his eyes, and $20 was kind of highfalutin, but I like to list high and put best offer on, and so I accepted $18 the same day he was listed. And here's another classic toy company. This one's been around for a lot longer than the dragon was, a couple of months. I did accept the best offer of $18 on him as well. They paid shipping. He's a giant dog, but he went just in a big poly. And this Coogie shirt, I know I showed you guys last week a yellow one sold. The same buyer came back and bought this black one a couple days later, and he did pay $28.50 for it. This came from the Goodwill. It was $5.29. I think I forgot to tell you guys how much these little plushies cost. So he was $1.99 at the Goodwill, and this one was $1.99 at the Goodwill. There you go. The MEK buckle jeans did sell for $30. These particular ones I paid full price for. I did pay $6.99. the MEK or MEK denim, they're from Buckle, the same as BKE. They do a little bit better than BKE. They fetch a little bit higher of a price, and they sell a little bit quicker for me. These Tommy Hilfigers were 99 cents at the Goodwill and sold for $21.87. I sold a lot of jeans, as you can tell. Here's some Massimo. These are the Target brands I love to buy when I can find them for 99 cents. The men's jeans sell for $20 typically, and I take a 20 for these. These are the men's skinny. The women's usually go for about 18, unless they're new with tags. But like I said, when I can get them for 99 cents, I do get them because they sell pretty fast for me. They have a quick turnover rate. I know I've said it before, but Massimo does have a following. There are people that like this brand, and they will flip pretty quickly. Not for a lot, but they're fast. And if you can get them for 99 cents or at the bins by weight, definitely worth the investment for how quick they go. These were a fluke. These are Refuge jeans. Now, these are jeans that I definitely do pick up when I can find them for 99 cents. These are the Knockout skinny boots. These were 99 cents, but typically I start these around $20 to $22. I have no idea how these got listed for $29.69, but they sold for that much. Like, someone bought them for $29.69, which blew my mind. I even told Keith, I don't even know how they were that high. They were on Posh for 20, so I must have typoed or something, but somebody bought them, so I'll take it, right? Lucky Brand men's jeans. These sold for, I accepted a best offer of $25. The Lucky Brand men's jeans I can still get about $25 to $28 for. I start them at $28. I'll go down to $25 with best offers or sales, and they usually sell within a week of being listed. Now, the women's Lucky Brands, they will sit and sit and sit, and you're lucky if you can get 18 or 20 for them anymore. So I will only source the women's if I find them for 99 cents. The men's I'll pay a little bit more for. They move quick, and like I said, I can get more money for them. And then here's just some examples of some of the hard goods we sold, some fun stuff we had. We still had some shot glasses upstairs, so we listed them together as lots. And this was just a lot of 4. We got $15 for them, and they went first class in a little box together, wrapped up nice. And these Rainforest Cafe from Niagara Falls hurricane glasses, it was $2 for the pair at Goodwill, and I did get the $20 for them, plus they paid shipping. And these South Park ornaments are cute. I got like 4 different sets of these from a yard sale over the summer. I think they were like $1/4 a box, so he gave me all 4 boxes for $1. I listed them over the summer because I don't list seasonally. I list everything all the time. I don't wait for Christmas to list Christmas ornaments. And in the middle of the summer, like within 2 days, I sold one of the sets, and the other 3 have just been sitting. But that's okay. I suspect they'll all go by the end of the month. South Park is still pretty popular, and it is that time of year. And then, of course, we sold a phone. This one went for $40, best offer we accepted on it. I think we're coming to the end of the ones that Keith got from the auction, and we just have the ones he's picking up locally. We might have a couple more in there. But yeah, we still have some of those left that we're selling for parts or repair. The drama of that. But I think we're almost out of the ones from the auction. And like I said, like a couple weeks ago, we're already to the point where they're just pure profit. So we're just accepting best offers on them just to try to get rid of the rest of them and get back as much profit on them as we can. So those are the highlights from the week. Lots of plush went, lots of jeans went, some really cool hard goods, some different things that we don't normally sell, which was neat. Let me know in the comments below, like, what you guys are doing, how you're doing, what did you sell, did you have anything exciting? And before you leave, do me a favor and smash the like button if you would. If you haven't already and you'd like to, please subscribe to our channel. Help us feed a hungry hippo. You can find us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We're at Flippin Hippos. Until next time, you guys have a good night.